Alrighty, man, getting back on trail. It's 9:30 a.m. We're back at the pass. Let me flip. Yeah, we're back on the pass, 9:30 a.m. I didn't do much in town. Just got me a few resupply items and fed myself, and then had a pretty big breakfast this morning at the motel. Had to take advantage of that. I did run over to the farm store and got me some kind of rain pants, because in the mornings it's been really cool, and just kind of looking for a pair of pants, looking for something to put over my shorts in the mornings. That would be real easy to take off once it warmed up. Anyway, so we're back at the trailhead. Pretty easy getting out of town. There was a bus that went up to Winter Park, which is only 2 miles up the road, so that really wouldn't help me too terrible much, but I was thinking about it, but the bus didn't leave until 10. So I hitched out of town and got a ride from a guy in a Tesla with Grateful Dead stickers on it. He was going somewhere for a hockey practice. Nice gentleman. So yeah, we are sitting at 11,200 some change elevation right now. In 4 miles we'll be at 12.5. So we're gonna go from 11.2 to 12.5 in 4 miles. So we're climbing. And then in 6 miles we'll be back down around 11.2. So we're gonna go up then drop. Where else am I? In 11 miles we'll be around 12.7. And then in 15 miles we'll be back around that magical number 13. So climb, drop, climb, climb, and then like I said, in 15 miles we'll be around that magical number 13. So 13,000 elevation. So but yeah, other than that, just Jimmy and Jamin gonna be rocking and rolling, man. So let me flip you. Sure hope that gentleman was okay, because that looked like that hurt. Alrighty, holler at you. Alrighty, climbing. Alright, let me flip you. Colorado, baby. It's absolutely gorgeous, man. Just gorgeous. Hey, let me flip you. Not trying to escape. That's the trail, man. And that's only a 12,000er. That's not a 13. So, but yeah, Colorado, man. Just absolutely breathtaking, gorgeous out here. Alrighty, had a long day ahead of me, so Jimmy and Jamin, rocking and rolling. Hey, alrighty, we were just up at Stanley Mountain. Now we're heading down. Let me flip. And I believe that's where we're heading. I think that's where we're heading. We were just up at Stanley Mountain. That was at 12.5 elevation. So now we're heading down. So, alright, a lot of people back that way. Of course, it is Tuesday, but a Labor Day weekend, but it's a lot of people out on trails, man. So I had a couple, they got on trail just right before I did. We kind of passed each other because they were stopping, taking photos, whatever. They're just out here for a few hours, and they're flying back to Chicago. So kind of talked to them for a couple minutes. And there's been some older folks out here, people in their 50s, 60s, even maybe 70s. So, but already, Jimmy and Jamin, rocking and rolling.
climate. Sun's kind of winning in the clouds. It was out for quite a while, but fix my doggy. Let me flip you. We were down there. All right, man, just actually absolutely gorgeous, man. So, all right, Jimmy Jam it, rocking and rolling. Hey, all right, taking a quick break down here at the Jones Trailhead. We're at 12,400 some change elevation. We were just at 12.7, you know, so kind of the story of the day. But yeah, in 2.5 miles we'll be at 13,000. So I want to try to get up there tonight and get that done, so we don't have to do it in the morning. So yeah, but yeah, just a gorgeous day, man. Let me flip here. That's where I'm heading. So yeah, so Jimmy jamming, gonna be rocking and rolling, man. So holler at you later. Alrighty. 13,215 elevation. There's the trail going down. Yeah, buddy. Jimmy jamming, rocking and rolling. 6 o'clock. Gonna go down. There's some water. Whoa! There's some water in a mile or two. Possibly some shade tree, some pine trees to camp by. So, alrighty, Jimmy jamming, rocking and rolling. Alrighty, we're calling this a day. 17.9 miles today. We are 11,500 some elevation and some change in elevation. Oh man, I'm tired. Yeah, roughly around 3 miles back, give or take. We were up around 13,000. We kind of dropped and up and dropped and up. So I have water. I have a small stream not too far from me, but we're done for the day. Let me flip you. Nestled in the trees. So alrighty. Yeah, I kind of been informing you guys all day today. So, all right, I'll holler at you.